Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is International Islamic University, Islamabad School, Sahiwal Campus, online lectures. Grade 3 Science, Lecture number 4, Unit number 4, Body and Growth. Students, bring your science book, open it and write date and day properly. Listen to your teacher attentively and mark all the important points said by the teacher on your book. Do all the questions on your science homework notebook and do all the additional question answers on your science classwork notebook. Do all the bookwork questions on your book. To do work, first of all you have to write down index on your notebook. Write down serial number, date, topic, that is body and growth. Page number 40. Question number 1. Look and number the people in order from youngest to oldest, then label. So first of all you have to number them from youngest to oldest as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you have to put appropriate word from the given table to these pictures. Question number 2. What phase of life are you in? What phase are your brothers and sisters in? What phase are your parents in? Discuss with a partner. So in this question you have to write down just discuss the phase of life in which you, your brother, sister and your parents are in. Question number 3. What things can a child do that a baby cannot do? So here you have to write a difference between the work that a child can do and a baby cannot do. Lesson number 1. Question number 1. Read the text and circle true or false. You have to read the text on the page number 41 of your textbook and then you have to mention whether the statement is true or false. Question number 2. Circle 3 ways you will develop in the next 10 years. So 5 ways are given. You have to circle 3 ways that are appropriate in which you will develop in the next 10 years. Question number 3. Read and underline 3 ways infant develop. So you have to underline 3 ways from your text on the page number 42. Question number 4. Draw yourself doing something you need a lot of coordination to do. So in this you have to draw a diagram on the page number 42. The place is given, blank page. So you have to draw a diagram of yourself doing some work and then you have to write down the work in which you need a lot of coordination. Question number 5. Read and underline 3 ways adolescents change. You have to underline 3 ways in which adolescents can change. They can change in their height or they can have a mental change, whatever in which sense they can change. You just have to read the text on the page number 43 and underline the 3 ways that are described in this text. Question number 6. Read and match the parts of sentences. You have to read down the sentences and then match with their appropriate part. Lesson number 2. Draw lines from the body part to where they belong to the skeleton. So here 4 body parts are given and a skeleton is given. You have to match the body part with the part of skeleton where they can attach. Question number 2. Read and complete the graphic organizer with steps to catch the ball. So you have to complete the graphic organization as first, next and the last to catch a ball. Question number 3. Read and circle true or false. Correct the false statement. So in this you have to read out the text on the page number 45 of your science book. Then mark the statement whether it is true or false. Question number 4. What are your 5 senses? Make a list and then mine one sense while your partner guess what it is. So in this you have to just write on the page number 45 your 5 senses. Question number 5. Draw an arrow to show how food moves from mouth to the stomach. So on the page number 46 you have a diagram of your stomach and intestines. So you have to draw an arrow from how food moves from mouth to the stomach. Question number 6. Why cannot babies eat all type of food? Circle the correct options. So in this question you have to describe that why cannot babies eat all type of foods, and then circle the correct option of the reason. You have 4 options: A, B, C and D. Question number 7. Why teeth are important? So in this question you just have to write down the importance of teeth. Question number 8. Read and underline what your heart and lungs do. You have to read the text on the page number 47 of your science book. Then you have to underline the work that your heart and lungs do. Question number 9. Draw what this boy's lungs look like when he breathes in to play the trumpet. When a boy is playing a trumpet, so what will be the shape of his lungs? So you have to draw. First of all, you have to think that whether the lungs contract or relax, then you can draw this diagram easily. Question number 10. Read and underline one way that your bones help your body work. So you have to write down the function of bones in helping our body to do work. Question number 11. Draw an X on the bones that protect your heart. So on the page number 48 you have a skeleton. So you have to circle the part of the bones that protect your heart. Question number 12. Circle 3 joints in the picture, then point out as many as you can. First of all, you have to circle 3 joints in this picture, in the picture of this skeleton, and then point out as many as you can. So you have to point out the joints in this skeleton. Question number 13. Read, look and circle the muscles you used to write in your book. So while writing, what muscles of your arm you can use, you have to circle them. Question number 14. Read and underline the incorrect word in each sentence. Correct the false statement. So you have to underline the incorrect word and then correct the false statement on the page number 49. Question number 15. Make a muscle in your arm like the boy in this picture on the page number 49, and then feel your muscle. Is it contracting or relaxing? So basically you have to imagine your posture and then you have to write down whether your muscle is contracting or relaxing. Now we will discuss review exercise. Lesson number 1. Question number 1. Circle the correct answer. So you have 4 options. You have to circle the most appropriate option. Question number 2. Circle the person in the picture who is in childhood. So in this picture 4 persons are given. So you have to circle that person who is in the age of childhood or in the phase of childhood. Lesson number 2. Match the body part to what it does. Then look and number the picture. So you have to match the body part with its function and then look and number the pictures. Question number 4. Circle whose skeleton has the most bones. You have 3 options. So you have to put circle on the most appropriate option, the skeleton that has most bones. Okay students, now you have some homework. First of all, open up your diary. Write date, subject, and then write down your diary. Do all question answers on your science homework notebook and additional question answers on your classwork notebook and bookwork on your book. Okay dear students, this is end of the lesson. If you find any difficulty regarding this lesson, you can ask us on WhatsApp number. For that, you have to mention your name, grade, subject, unit number, lesson number and lecture number so that you can get a positive response. And you will have a Word file attached with this lecture, so you can get help from this Word file to do your exercise question. This is the end of the lesson. Allah Hafiz.